Hello everyone, this is Preeti, design team member CRAFTOLOGER, and today I'm going to make a wooden frame with some waxing and distressing on it. So whatever I'm going to use on this frame, you can purchase on CRAFTOLOGER site, and the list of materials and each and everything is mentioned in description box, so please go and check. So guys, first of all, I'm taking this wooden frame. This is simple old wooden frame. So this old one, so I thought I should recycle this frame. So I decided to give a distressed kind of look on it. So for that look, I need, first of all, I need a black gesso. So this CRAFTOLOGER black gesso, which I'm going to use. Just here and there, but we need to cover hazes. It's done now. As I told you, okay, not all over the project, you just apply on edges and here and there. Now the next part is I am taking chalk paints. It's CRAFTOLOGER cream chalk paint, and I mix there. So now the second coat is a combination of these two chalk paints. So I'm just simply apply a chalk paint coat on it. Just cover all over. Again, I'm mentioning you, whatever I'm using, these all are CRAFTOLOGER's products, and you can purchase on their site, CRAFTOLOGER, and whatever I am using, सबका डिटेल मटेरियल लिस्ट डिटेल आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब our channel and hit the bell icon, because टाइम टू टाइम बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल प्रोजेक्ट्स हम लोग अपने चैनल पे लाते रहते हैं. सो इट्स गुड कि आप टाइम टू टाइम उसके अपडेट लेते रहो. सो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब आवर CRAFTOLOGER चैनल, यूट्यूब चैनल. It's not hard and fast. Okay, you are doing white color here and there. I'm just mixing and doing uneven. It's a thick coat of chalk paint because I really want कि जो black color है वो completely hide हो जाए. So it's done now. And now the next part. I am taking some baby wipes. Wet wipes हैं जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं, तो I am taking baby wipes. सिंपल हैंड्स के साथ आपको इन्हें अप्लाई करना है, फिर रब करना है. आई डोंट वांट कि पूरा जाए. मेरे वाइप्स थोड़े से ड्राई हैं, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस वाटर. इफ यू हैव टोटली वेट वाइप तो देन नो नीड दिस. ब्यूटीफुल shade come up, you can see. Whenever I use wax ना, so you can see कि वहाँ से easily कलर चला जाएगा, एंड जहाँ से पे नहीं है वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा नहीं जाएगा. So I think I love this shade. Golden paint. It's again a CRAFTOLOGER Royal Gold Metallic Chalk Paint. So I'm just taking out with my finger and just applying on edges. So your vintage style frame is ready. Waxing and distressing. So you can check